distance, may I now invite Professor Jaidev M., Chairman of BFSL, to deliver the welcome address, before which I request Mr. Rajesh Kumar Sharma, CEO of BFSL, to kindly honor Professor Jaidev with flowers. Professor Jaidev, Professor at the hallowed Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, we welcome you to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great auspicious occasion that the leading public stock exchange, though in its name it is regional, but in its activity it has reached to several milestones, is today celebrating 50th anniversary and Golden Jubilee celebrations. We have on this occasion several dignitaries are present to wish the activity and to devise a future course of action also in other formal discussions. So let me take pleasure of inviting these leading dignitaries and welcome all of them on this occasion. We have with us the chief guest of this function, Honorable former Chief Judge of Supreme Court of India, Sri R.V. Ravindran. R.V. Ravindran is known to people of Karnataka since a long time. He was also the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court, and he was judge in the High Court of Karnataka also. He began his career as a lawyer in Karnataka High Court in 1968 and elevated to the several leading positions and finally reached to the apex body of this country, constitutional authority, that is Supreme Court of India, and he retired in 2011 as Supreme Court judge. And we are all fortunate that his time is available for this occasion and he is with us to deliver the inaugural address on this occasion. His expertise is all types of the civil laws, including constitutional law. And at the age of 66, looks very young and contributing his services to academic and other writing aspects, that is publishing articles in leading newspapers, and wherever there is an opportunity, he is contributing with his voice and pen. I would like to mention only one thing here. Supreme Court Chief Justice of India, Sri H.S. Kapadia, has said two lines on the occasion of his retirement recently, 2011. Just let me repeat those words of Supreme Court Chief Justice of India, Sri H.S. Kapadia. Friends, if you want an Indian hero, a real hero, my vote is for Justice Ravindran. He is one of the greatest judges of this court. These are the words of Sri H.S. Kapadia. So we are all fortunate that Sri Ravindran is with us. Honorable Sir, we welcome you on this occasion and we welcome you. Thank you very much. We have with us Chairman of BGSC, current Chairman of BGSC, Sri Michael Baston. Along with him, several people who have contributed and built up this noble institution, which has spread the investor confidence and equity cult in Karnataka and other parts of the country. Bangalore Stock Exchange former presidents are here, Mr. Krishnamurthy, Mr. Prabhakar, and Jagdish and several others are present. I take this opportunity to welcome all of them on this occasion and welcome to this function. I also take the pleasure of welcoming current directors of Bangalore Stock Exchange, Honorable Justice R. Gururajan, Mr. Naveen Kumar, Professor Sankarshan Basu, Mr. Cherin Abraham, Mr. Kanandas, Mr. B.S. Murthy, Mr. V.S. Prasad, Dr. Swarnalata, Mr. Manjit Singh, current Executive Director. These are all leading the exchange and they are also present here. Let me welcome on this occasion. Similarly, when the demutualization has taken place, the subsidiary company Bangalore Stock Exchange Financial Services Limited is leading the trading activity, and several people have contributed significantly to this organization, and it is one of the cleanest organizations with the highest transparency today and one of the best stockbrokers in the country. So we have with us all directors of Bangalore Stock Exchange, Mr. I.N. Ashok, Mr. Ramu Sharma, and Mr. Parthasarathy Subramaniam, Mr. Subramaniam. So several people are here. I take the opportunity of welcoming the Bangalore Stock Exchange Financial Services Limited directors, former chairmen, and others. I also take the pleasure of former CEOs of BFSL, Mr. Ramnath is here, and others are also present. I take the opportunity of welcoming all others. And former secretaries of Bangalore Stock Exchange are also present, and shareholders of the exchange, and several representatives of the listed companies are sitting here. I take the opportunity of welcoming all of them. Members of Bangalore Stock Exchange and their families who have been silently cooperating to the stock exchange activity for a long time, and several office bearers of the Bangalore Stock Exchange, and professionals, people who are contributing as a company secretary as well as chartered accountants, directly or indirectly to the exchange activity. And we have also SEBI representatives and several government officials are here, and representatives of Chamber of Commerce and media, and above all shareholders and investors who are all daily contributing by participating in the trading activity. Without them the exchange is not in existence. So I take the opportunity of welcoming all the employees of Bangalore Stock Exchange, Financial Services, and all others who are all present. We have one more distinguished guest here with us. The chairman of Madras Stock Exchange is also with us. Mr. Henry is present here. I take the opportunity of welcoming him. So, thanks to one and all for being with you on this occasion. Thank you very much.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಜಯದೇವ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ. It is now the time to recollect what the journey of 50 years has been of the Bangalore Stock Exchange. My pleasure to welcome Mr. Michael Bastian, Chairman of the Bangalore Stock Exchange, a seasoned banker himself and former Chairman of the Syndicate Bank. I would also request Mr. Manjit Singh, Executive Director of the BGSE, to welcome Mr. Bastian with flowers. Mr. Bastian is a senior banker and retired as the chairman of the Syndicate Bank. It was during his tenure that the stock exchange initiated the tie-up with the NSE and the BSE for trading. The exchange went to the extent of finalizing the MOU with these exchanges, though the model was deferred later due to extraneous reasons. Mr. Bastian also has been on many of the committees constituted by the Reserve Bank of India. Please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Michael Bastian.
Good morning. Honorable Justice R.V. Ravindran, my colleagues on the dais, Board of Directors of Bangalore Stock Exchange and Bangalore Financial Services. We are celebrating 50 years today. The Golden Jubilee is indeed a landmark as far as